I need everyone who's with us today to type in tinkercad.com into their browser window. So tinkerCAD is a free program used for design in schools all the time. It is a sign-in type of program, so if you are a very young student, you might need to get your parents' permission before you do this, because you will need an email aspect. But I'm going to go through fairly, not too rapidly, the Join Now process. So Join Now is the big button to the right-hand side. I'm going to click Join Now. If you are an educator, you can join here as a specialized teacher account, and your specialized teacher account will allow you to assign classes and get class codes and that sort of thing, which will then allow students to join your class, as you can see here in the center of the screen. You can also create your own personal account, which is in the center, right there on the bottom. So I'm going to click on that today, and we're going to take you through the process just to make sure everybody understands. Okay? So I'm going to click on Create a Personal Account. So I can sign up with a general email, or I can sign in with Google. So I'm going to sign up with an email just to take you through the process so that you understand. First thing it's going to ask you is create an account as country, territory, or region. Okay? So I'm going to click on what my country is. I'm assuming that most of us today are coming from Canada, but I make no assumptions. So whatever your country is, please choose that on the big list that's there. And then they're going to ask you to put in your birthday. I'm putting in my birthday, or my fictitious birthday, the birthday I wish I had. I've always wished I had February 7th for a birthday. And I've always wished I was younger than I was. So I'm going to make myself a little bit younger today. And I'm going to create my account. So I'm going to click Next. This is the place where it's going to ask you for an email. And this is the thing that you might need your parents' help with. So I'm going to put in an email here. And then I'm going to sign up a password for it. Okay, so I'm going to give it a password, and I'm just going to, you can actually use a securely generated password because it's being offered to me. I'm going to use that. So there's my password. Might need to write that one down. And then I just have to agree to the tinkerCAD terms of service. If you want to read those, it's always interesting to read something like that once. Then you click on Create Account. So then I click on Done, and it takes me into tinkerCAD.